everyone, welcome to another tutorial. I'm Dolakwo of Dolly Craftings. I want to show you how to make a pleated turban in this video. Okay, I have my materials, and then this is raw silk fabric. It is stretchy. It's a stretchy raw silk fabric, and I have with me 1 yard. Some fabrics don't have the length that is up to 60 inches, but whatever the length of your fabric is, please use it like that. Okay, so this is the 36 inches part of my fabric, and that is where we have the stretchy parts. Okay, this fabric stretches on this part, and while on this part it doesn't stretch. So this is the 60 inches part of my fabric. So from the stretchy part, I'm going to take my head circumference, which is 22 inches. Okay, so I'll measure 22 inches this way, then I'm going to leave this length like that. So whatever the length of your fabric is, some fabrics have length of about 54 inches, some they are not up to 60. Whatever the length of your fabric is, just leave it like that. So I'll cut out my head circumference by this length, and we'll continue from there. All right, I've cut out my fabric, and this is my head circumference by 60 inches this way. Okay, whatever your head circumference is, please use that for this part. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing is I like cutting this rough edges. I like cutting it off. Let me just trim this off. This is the wrong side of the fabric facing up. I'm going to first of all fold in these edges. Folding these edges twice. I'll fold it twice, and I'm going to sew. Okay, like this. I'm going to sew to hide the rough edges. That's the first thing, because of the type of fabric I'm using. So after doing that, let's say I've sewn my edges. Let me just hold it down with office pins. Alright friends, I've folded it in, and I've used my pin to hold it down for the meantime. Okay, so we're going to start pleating like we make an auto gele base. We'll pleat like this. Make sure that this one, these are first pleats, covers the thread on this one. Okay, this is like the second pleat, so make sure it covers the thread on this one like that. Just hold it down with you can hold it down with your office pins before you sew, just for you to have a straight line like that. I've held it down with my pin, as you can see. So I'm going to look at the pleats. Make sure that your pleats are uniform. You can give it about from here to here is about ½ an inch. Okay, from this folded end to this next folded part, it's ½ an inch. So you can give it that uniformity while you're pleating. You have pleated, and you sew from here this way like this. Remember, the first line you folded it into two, and you will sew. So you take the next one over it and then sew like that. So you pick the next one over it and sew. Make sure that the thread is covered. Can you see? Like that onto this side. You can hold it down with your office pins while you sew, or before you sew, like that, till you get to the end of the fabric. So let me go to my machine and pleat and sew. So I'll be back to show you the next step. Alright friends, as you can see, I've pleated the whole length of the fabric, the whole 16 inches, and see what I've got. So from here to here now is about 14 inches for me. This is what we'll be doing. This is the upper part, or the front part of the cap. We're going to turn it like this. So from here, I'm going to measure 4 inches. Like this. I'll just do a curve right here. Okay, and I'm going to cut it Make sure that it is straight. So I've cut it now, and I'm going to sew it from here this way, and this way. Now this is what I have. Before I go ahead, or if you're making it for a client, it's better to seal the fraying edges. So you're going to be using a weaving machine to seal up these edges before you continue, okay? But just for the purpose of this training, I'm going to go ahead to the next step without doing that. If I'm to make it for a client, first of all, weave the fraying edges. Now the next step is for us to sew loose stitches from here this way. Now because this turban is fully pleated and I don't want it to be too bulky kind of at the back, I'm not going to sew my loose stitches from here the way down. I'll start my loose stitches from this cuff part. Gather it right here, just here like that. Okay, I'll just gather it from here to here. But normally, if your turban is long and you're comfortable with that, just sew loose stitches from here to this point. It's going to be a little bit tasky because the fabric is now thick. So I'll just sew it like that. I'll sew from here to here. I'll gather it up. I've sewn my loose stitches from here to here just the same way I explained earlier, and I pulled the thread to form gathers and I back stitched to secure it properly. So our cap is ready. This is the front and this is the back. Thank you.